Today I'll be showing you how to make a I call this plane the Twister, and I'll show you later on in the video how the plane flies. You'll probably figure it out. If you throw the plane upwards, it'll twist or do a loop-de-loop. But if you go forward like that, it'll either do a loop-de-loop or twist. But if you chuck it down, it will just do a loop-de-loop and just land with a really smooth landing. But yeah, it's a pretty cool plane, and you'll be surprised how it flies. So first of all, you're going to need to start out with a regular sheet of printer paper, and you want to fold it. You want to start with it like this, and you always want to fold it just like that. I'm folding and folding and folding and folding. I'm not fast forwarding, so I have no idea how to. I'm stretching, so my camera is weird. Okay, so then you want it like that. Then you take this first layer and fold it right there. Just like that. And you should have something that looks like this. Now, after that, you're going to flip it over and take this layer and fold it in just like that. Okay? You should have something else like this. Open it up. And then hold it this way. You should have something else like this. Okay, then open it up. Then you should have this. And you should have something that looks like this. And you want to take it and put this down. Fold it. Just like what we did. Fold it to the crease. Put it down to the crease, so then you have something that looks like that. I'll do it again. Okay, so now you just do that. I'm sorry if my hands are in the way. I'm trying to do this as easy as I can, so you guys can understand it. Okay, now you should have a plane. Oh, not a plane, but you should have a piece of paper that looks just like this. It doesn't have to look just, but it should look like this. And you're going to take this whole thing, and put it down all the way. All the way to there. Match it with the bottom. Okay? Just match it to the bottom. Then you should have something looks like that. See? And then you want to take this and put it upward. And then you just want to take it and put it upward just like that. It's a very simple plane. I learned this in like 2 seconds. Actually, this is my own design of a plane. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. So yeah. And then you want to take it. Then you should have something that looks like this. Little Z, little swan, little. Okay, then you want to take it and fold it right in half. Make sure you have really good creases in here. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like that. Now, what you want to do is make the wings. So make them as big as you want. I don't care how big you make them. I'm making mine from right here, maybe about half an inch, maybe, I don't know, 2 centimeters maybe off of that, like that. And you want to flip it over and then match it right there. So then you have it like that. It's a building. And then you have your paper. Well, not your paper airplane yet. And then you have something that looks like this. Now, on this one, you can see how it has that. What you want to do is, first of all, yeah. And then you want to take it and hold it. So you just want to take this bottom half and just kind of put it upward. See, so it's like maybe an inch. That's probably an inch and a half, maybe. I don't know. Just try to get it. So just try to match them. Okay, now after that you want to kind of flatten it. Flatten it. Flatten it now. Okay. Ooh. Then you open it up. Should have, and then open that up just a little. And you should have it something that looks like this. Ooh, it looks like I have time. I'll show you how it flies. I'm sorry about that squeaking, but so yeah. Okay, I have to put it down. Okay. Now here. Watch. Oops, that wasn't bad. Okay. I don't know why. Every time I get going into my video, it's always. There you go, huh? I don't know if you guys saw that. But here, if you do this, put it down, it goes up. And then if you saw that, but look at that. Put it down, up. Oh, you can't see that. Put it down, up. Put it down, up. Point it down. Oh, that one's down. Point it down, up. Point it down, up. Or you could point it. You could point it up. Sorry about that. You point it up. Oh no. Yeah, these things don't really stay on course. So if you're throwing it at something, like you're trying to throw it at something, I would really recommend making these. These ones are just like stunt planes. They go like wherever. They have like a mind of its own. That's pretty cool. There we go.